Hi everyone, Ryan here. Thank you for being part of the FiberSeek journey since our Kickstarter campaign. And I'm more than happy to share that all of our Kickstarter units have officially either been shipped or in its last mile logistics. And I have been scrolling through your unboxing reviews nonstop. And honestly, seeing your excitement means the world to us. Thank you for trusting a young company with your ideas and, of course, your floor spaces. For the past several months, most of our energy went into building and delivering the hardware. Now, we're putting the same intensity into the software. So we're working on a major upgrade to our rocket slicer. It will deliver a better plastic print quality, more intelligent fiber path planning, and the upgrade you have requested the most, the support with much wider range of materials. More importantly, to keep showing our appreciation to all of our incredible supporters and bring the possibility of printing strong carbon fiber parts to the masses, we're gearing up for a limited global pre-sale. We know many of you wanted a FiberSeek 3 during our crowdfunding campaign but couldn't get one. And we haven't forgotten that, and we'll make sure this time you're the first in the line. Full details dropping in just a few days. Stay logged in, follow our social media and website, and make sure you don't miss this one.